Welcome to the second episode of how to get a free dedicated Minecraft server. On the previous episode, we installed the operating system, and on this one, we're going to install pufferpanel, which is the UI that we're going to use to control our Minecraft server. Here in front of me, I've got the command line open, so we're going to access the computer remotely. And I also have the pufferpanel website. So if you want to follow these instructions, you want to go to pufferpanel.com. Then you go to documentation and you scroll to the installing pufferpanel section. We have two options to install this. We can just install it directly on the operating system, or we can install it via Docker. We're going to follow the Ubuntu/Debian instructions, but in the next episode, we're going to install Docker as well, since then we're going to install playit.gg to access the server remotely. To access the server via the network, you're going to open your command prompt and you're going to type ssh. You're going to type admin, which was our user we created. And then you're going to and in my case, the IP address, it's 192.168.1.147. Now for you, this might be different. So you're going to want to check what's the IP. For you to do that, you're going to go back to your Minecraft server host machine. You're going to connect the keyboard. And then first, we're going to log in. So we're going to type admin, which was the user we created. And then we're going to put the password, which was also admin. And it's going to log us in. Now to check the IP address, you're going to type IP space A, and it's going to give you the IP address you can connect to. So we're going to copy this IP address we've got here. We're going to paste it. We cannot paste it on this command prompt, so we're going to type it down. So 192.168.1.147. I'm going to press enter. Here we want to accept, so we're going to press yes. I'm going to put the password, so it's admin. We'll press enter and we're logged in. We're going to clear, so we've got an empty command line. Put this side by side. So this command will download the installer and will run the installer. We're going to press copy. I'm going to paste it. Here we enter our password again and we press enter. Now that pufferpanel is installed, sudo apt get install pufferpanel. Now that pufferpanel is installed, I'm going to do sudo pufferpanel user add. Press enter. Now we can choose a username. We puffer. I added an extra n. This is the user that you will log into pufferpanel. So our username is pufferpanel. Our email, we're just going to put email@email.com, and our password, it can be admin as well. So when we log into the web panel, we type our username and our password. We're going to confirm the password. We want it to be an admin, so we type y and we press enter, and it added our user. Then to start the panel, sudo systemctl enable now pufferpanel. We're just going to copy it from the website and we're going to press enter. And it created our system link. It's installed. Now to access the web page, we do 192.168.1.147. My bad, 147. We're gonna have to add the port, which is 8080. So we put column 8080. Now this is going to load into HTTP, but that's fine because it's inside your network. So here we're going to type the email that we pasted, which was email@email.com. We're going to put our password, which is admin. Now this is in my language, so I'm going to just change it over here on the globe, and we're going to press in English to continue. And we're also going to set this on dark mode. All right, so we've got pufferpanel installed. Here you've got the templates, which we're going to import them. So this is going to get the templates from the web and import them into the server. And in our case, we're looking for Minecraft. We're going to type Minecraft. Here we got Forge. We have Fabric. We have with mod packs. So we're going to choose Minecraft Vanilla in this case. And we can also choose Minecraft Bedrock. And I would also want Minecraft Forge. Then we import the templates. It successfully imported all the templates. So now we can go to servers. We add a server. We choose Vanilla Minecraft. And we use this template. We can choose a name. So Minecraft. Environment will be standard and it will be on the local node. And we press next. This will be the user we created. I'm gonna add it. Because you have multiple users, we're gonna agree and we're gonna leave all of this on default. If you want to change the message of the day, you can also do that. Here you can change the version. Everything else can stay, or you can also change the memory. Here is 1 gigabyte. If we want to put 2 gigabytes, we put 2048 and we create. And done. That's our server created. If you want to start, stop, kill, or install. So we want to press install. So it downloads all the server files from the web. And once it finishes downloading, you press start and it started. And you can connect via your local machine. On the next episode, we'll learn how to install plate.gg so then your friends can join via the web. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learn how to install pufferpanel, and I will see you in the next one. I hope you enjoyed this video. Maybe you'd like to check out another video of mine right on that box over there.